Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're trying to lose weight but still want to enjoy your dinner, this video is made for you. Tonight, I'll share with you everything you need to know about dinner for weight loss, what foods to eat, what time to eat, whether you should exercise before or after, and some powerful tips to help your body burn fat even while you sleep. So sit back, relax, and let's talk about how to have a light, satisfying, and fat-burning dinner. Let's talk about what a perfect dinner for weight loss should look like. Your plate should be 50% vegetables, 25% lean protein like chicken, fish, tofu, or eggs, 25% complex carbs like sweet potatoes, quinoa, or brown rice. Here's an example of a healthy dinner menu you can try any day of the week. Example Menu 1. Grilled salmon or steamed chicken breast, boiled broccoli, spinach, or green beans, half a cup of brown rice, a small bowl of clear soup or miso soup. Example, Menu 2. Vegetarian tofu stir-fried, lightly with olive oil and garlic, a large salad with tomatoes, cucumbers and lettuce. 1 small boiled sweet potato herbal tea or lemon water after the meal. Example Menu 3. Quick dinner for busy people, 2 boiled eggs, 1 slice of whole grain bread, a handful of cherry tomatoes or sliced cucumbers, a cup of sugar-free yogurt. Important rules. Avoid deep-fried foods, cream sauces, and soft drinks. Limit white rice, white bread, and instant noodles. They raise your blood sugar quickly. Avoid desserts or fruits that are too sweet like mango, durian, or grapes. Instead, choose low-sugar fruits such as apples, kiwis, or papayas, but eat them 30 minutes before dinner. Remember, it's not just about calories, it's about nutrient balance and timing. The ideal time to eat dinner is between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock p.m. If possible, try to finish your meal at least 3 hours before going to bed. Why? Because your metabolism slows down at night. If you eat too late, your body won't burn those calories, it will store them as fat. For example, if you go to bed at 10 p.m., dinner should be finished by 7 p.m. Avoid eating heavy meals after 8:30. If you're really hungry later, you can have something light, a cup of warm milk, or a handful of nuts, or a small banana. But don't eat large meals after dark. Also, drink a glass of warm water or lemon water 15 minutes before dinner to reduce hunger and help digestion. Now, let's talk about exercise. Should you work out before or after dinner? Option 1. Exercise before dinner. This is the best time for fat burning. You can go walking, jogging, cycling, or do light yoga about 1 hour before your meal. Your body will use stored fat for energy, and after that, you can enjoy a healthy dinner to recover. Option 2. Exercise after dinner. If you don't have time before, that's okay. Just wait at least 1 hour after eating before doing any activity. Choose something light and relaxing. Take a 20-minute walk around your house or park. Do gentle stretching or breathing exercises. Avoid intense workouts like running or lifting weights right after dinner. It may cause indigestion and discomfort. Tip: walking slowly after dinner helps control blood sugar and reduces belly fat effectively. Now, let's go deeper into your mindset when eating. Eat mindfully. Sit at the table, turn off your phone and TV, and focus on your food. Enjoy each bite. This helps your brain realize when you're full. Chew slowly. Your brain takes about 15 minutes to register fullness. Eating slowly prevents overeating and helps digestion. Stay calm. If you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that increases fat storage. So before eating, take a deep breath and relax. Sleep well. Good sleep is just as important as diet. People who sleep less than 6 hours a night tend to gain weight more easily because their hunger hormones increase. Let's quickly go through a few common mistakes people make when trying to lose weight. Skipping dinner completely. This slows metabolism. Eating only fruits. Fruits have natural sugar. Too much can block fat loss. Drinking fruit juice instead of water. Most juices are high in sugar. Eating diet noodles, many of them still contain unhealthy fats and sodium. Sleeping right after eating. Always wait at least 2 to 3 hours. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. You, Dan T, have to be strict every day. Just make healthy choices most of the time. So, to summarize, eat dinner early, around 6 to 7 p.m. Focus on vegetables, lean protein, and light carbs. Exercise gently before or after dinner. Eat mindfully and sleep early. If you follow this routine for 3 to 4 weeks, you'll start noticing a lighter body, better sleep, and higher energy in the morning. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural health and weight loss tips. Stay healthy, stay peaceful, and see you in the next video.